Looks good. Sometimes these things work. Okay, great. So let's get started. I'll get on the record here. This is docket 4220 TE 111, the application of Northern States Power Company, Wisconsin for approval of revisions to the Resiliency Service Pilot Tariff. And this is Mike Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the PSC. We have utility staff and attorney here, as well as commission staff and staff's attorney. This case, it's a contested case. We have no interveners, and it looks like there's really no contest here, no disputes involved. So we can relax some of the process here. As we typically do cases like this for example, like municipal rate cases, usually pretty a relaxed process. But I do have a few filings we'll need to get verified and offered for the record, and we'll provide an opportunity for comments from the applicant, commission staff, and any members of the public that attend. Just wanted to mention that we did make the connection. We're here on Zoom. I should mention that first. And we did make the connection available to the public, but we have no members of the public in attendance now. We're also accepting written comments on the commission's website or by US mail up until November 22nd. And we have no comments from members of the public at this time, but we'll continue to accept those. So we can just get started here. I do have a list of documents I can share on our screens. Switch that over here. So I'm just going to show that. And you may notice, I think this is based on an email that Kay Bowershowers, the commission staff, has shared with everyone. I did make a few adjustments to that list just to kind of realign them a little bit. So you'll notice that I have those highlighted in yellow. So if we want to just review that quickly, for the applicant, I just included for the applicant documents, the application, the data request responses, and the comment that NSPW made to the commission memo. So those are all applicant documents. So if we could have applicant witness verify those. Then we have commission staff's memo for commission staff to offer. I did suggest that we don't receive the data request itself because I think those questions are repeated in the responses. So unless there's a reason to have the actual request in the record, it's duplicative of what's in the response. So I suggest we just keep that out of the record at this point. But so we can get started. We just need to start with the applicant verifying those documents that are listed for the applicant. So we can have the call of the applicant witness.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mara Ashman, appearing on behalf of Northern States Power Company, Wisconsin. Our applicant, our witness in this proceeding is Mr. Tariff.
All right, so let me swear you in. Raise your right hand, and do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, so we just, if you just want to ask him, I can, or we just want to list those documents and just ask him to verify them, and if he has anything else to add.
Sure, Mr. Zeke, we are looking at a document that is containing five, the company's request for approval in this docket, 3 documents related to data requests, and then the company's response to the commission staff memo. Were you or employees you work with involved in the development of those filings?
Yes.
And are those applications, well, those documents still true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
They are.
I seek admission of these 5 records into the record in this proceeding.
Okay, any comments from staff about that? Don't really need to call them objections, but any problem with that? No. Okay, so they're in the record, and we'll just have the witness also add any supplemental testimony they wish to make, any comments at this time. You can do that now.
No, sir. Good to go.
That's fine. All right. Okay, so now and any questions from staff for this witness?
No questions for this witness.
Okay, so we'll turn to commission staff. Have you call staff's witness?
Stephanie Bedford appearing on behalf of the PSC. We call Kate Bauer Showers.
All right. Swear you in, raise your right hand. And yep, there you go. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, go ahead.
Please state your name for the record.
Cade Bauer Showers.
And do you have a document to enter into the record?
Yes, a cover letter and commission memorandum for comment.
And are the statements and representation in that memo true and correct? And do you have any modifications at this time?
No modifications at this time, and true and correct. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, and any problems with accepting the commission memo from the applicant? Any issues?
No, not at all, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll put that in. And any additional testimony, comments from the witness?
No, sir.
All right, thanks. And I think we're done with this document, so I'm going to end the screen share. Okay. All right, so I'm just checking our participant list. There are no members of the public in attendance yet. So we will move on from there, and we can still accept public comments in writing until the 22nd. I don't believe there's anything else for us that we need to do at this point. Any follow-up comments, questions we have from either side?
Just a clarification, if I may, Your Honor. I see that my title on Zoom here is the PSC, and I represent NSPW in this proceeding.
I knew that.
I know that you know that. I just want to make it clear for the record.
Let me do that. It is on the Zoom recording now, so unfortunately, but I think, yeah, we will change that for now. Thanks for noting that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, I think that's it. No, we're not expecting any briefs in this case. Is that correct? No.
That's correct.
Okay. All right, great. I think we're done. So thanks very much for attending and participating. Take care. We'll see you next time.